Hello everyone, welcome in my new lecture. Today's topic is NSTFDC, National Scheduled Tribe Finance and Development Corporation, is a financial institution set up by the Government of India under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. It is provide different type loans for various tribes area for their economic development. NSTFDC provide different types loan related to generation improvement, related to skill development and related to housing development infrastructure. The mission of the NSTFDC is to uplift the socio-economic condition of शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स इन इंडिया। राष्ट्रीय अनुसूचित जनजाति वित्त एवं विकास निगम ये एक ऐसा संगठन है जो कि अनुसूचित जनजातियों के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है और उनकी आर्थिक गतिविधियों की पहचान करने में और उनको रोजगार देने में बहुत ही सहायक है। यह शिक्षा पर, आवास पर, एम्पावरमेंट के लिए और भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स के फील्ड जो कि ट्राइबल एरिया से रिलेटेड हैं उन सभी को प्रमोट करने के लिए फंडिंग करता है। यहाँ तक कि आज की डेट में ये 1000 से अधिक SC/ST गाँव को इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे चुका है। साथ ही साथ 10 लाख से अधिक ST को ऋण या डिफरेंट टाइप का इंसेंटिव प्रदान किया है जो कि उनके इकोनॉमिक सोशल एम्पावरमेंट को प्रमोट करने के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है। इस्टेब्लिशमेंट, इसका इस्टेब्लिशमेंट क्यों हुआ है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रमोशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स रिलेटेड टू ट्राइबल सोसाइटी, इट इज इस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑन 16 अगस्त 2001 under Section 25 of the Company Act 1956. It operates under the Administrative Council of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and its primary objective is to provide financial assistance and support to the scheduled tribes for their socio-economic upliftment and through various schemes and various program. It is also empowered scheduled tribes by facilitating entrepreneurship, by facilitating skill development program, by facilitating employment generation and overall economic development. There are some important key functions of the NSTFDC. First is financial assistance, second is skill development, third is entrepreneurship development and fourth is monitoring and evaluation. NSTFDC एक ऐसा महत्वपूर्ण ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो अनुसूचित जनजाति के विकास में बहुत ही सहायक है। इसके माध्यम से अनुसूचित जनजाति समुदाय के लोगों को एम्पावर्ड करने का प्रयास किया जाता है और उनको एक पॉजिटिव समुदाय की ओर, विकास की ओर ले जाने का प्रयास किया जाता है। मिशन एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव, द मिशन एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द नेशनल शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स फाइनेंस एंड डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन आर सेंटर्ड अराउंडिंग promoting socio-economic development, empowerment and inclusive growth among the scheduled tribes in India. With the help of these mission, it is very powerful to facilitate the holistic development and empowerment of scheduled tribes by providing financial assistance, by promoting entrepreneurship and fostering socio-economic inclusion. इसी प्रकार इन मिशन के सहारे हम कह सकते हैं कि इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के जो मिशन हैं उसके बेसिस पर इसके कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव भी हैं जो कि सोसाइटी को बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद हैं। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन। NSTFDC का मुख्य उद्देश्य जनजातीय समुदाय के विकास में आर्थिक सहायता प्रदान करना है। यह सहायता विभिन्न आर्थिक गतिविधियों में सक्रियता और उद्यमिता को बढ़ावा देने में सहायक होता है। सेकेंड पॉइंट इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट, स्किल डेवलपमेंट and employment generation. These points are very helpful because this institute provided different type loan facilities for the society. Those are started business in tribal areas. Inclusive growth and poverty alleviation, capacity building and awareness, policy advocacy and collaboration. All these are the important objectives. Those are very helpful in NSTFDC because these are the promoting tribal areas development, socio-economic upliftment and also providing different assistance related to the development of the society. Schemes and programs. NSTFDC implement various schemes and programs. It is also promoting economic empowerment, entrepreneurship and socio-economic development among the scheduled tribes in India. It is helpful for the term loan scheme for the scheduled tribes related to the short-term duration, related to the long-term duration. It is also helpful for starting business in manufacturing, services and trading sectors. The loan are offered at concessional interest rate with flexible repayment terms. It is also provided microcredit finance scheme for self-help group. Self-help group is very important program for the society. Those are helpful for the reducing poverty. Those are increase the livelihood. Those are increase the living standard. Venture capital scheme for scheduled tribes. Under this scheme, NSTFDC provided venture capital assistance to innovative and technology business venture promoted by scheduled tribes entrepreneurs. The scheme aims to encourage entrepreneurship in emerging sectors such as information technology, biotechnology, renewable energy and agriculture among tribes youth. Skill development and capacity development program. It is very important scheme and program. It is also provided by the different facilities NSTFDC for the organizing skill development and capacity building program. This organization also provided financial assistance for the education loan scheme, especially for the scheduled tribes, and it is also provided different type marketing assistance schemes in market. It is also very helpful for the credit encashment scheme. This scheme is helpful for the upliftment of the living standard, upliftment of the your quality, and this scheme is also provided for the self employment. इस प्रकार से हम कह सकते हैं कि NSTFDC अनुसूचित जनजाति समुदाय के लोगों को आर्थिक रूप से सशक्त और स्वावलंबी बनाने के लिए कार्य करता है, जो कि समाज में एक अपना अच्छा स्थान बना सकते हैं। इम्पैक्ट एंड अचीवमेंट. द नेशनल शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब फाइनेंस एंड डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन हैज मेड सिग्निफिकेंट in fostering socio-economic development and empowerment among the scheduled tribes in India. Here are the some of the key impact and achievement of the NSTFDC. Entrepreneurship promotion. With the help of the NSTFDC, it is a play important role in promoting entrepreneurship among the scheduled tribes by providing financial assistance, by providing technical support and capacity building initiative. As a result, number of the ST entrepreneurs have been able to establish and expand their business across diverse sectors, contributing to job creation, income generation, and economic growth in tribal areas. It is also very helpful for the employment generation. It is very important achievement for the society, especially in MSME and skill development initiative. TFDC has expanded their meaningful employment or try to become self-employed and reducing unemployment and poverty in tribal region. It is also income enhancement. NSTFDC intervention have to increase household incomes and improve livelihood among the scheduled tribes. It is also very good achievement in society because it reduce poverty elevation. It is also very good, provided good impact in society because it developed different skill development, reducing dependency on traditional livelihood and enhancing socio-economic mobility. It is focused on promoting empowerment and women entrepreneurship, and with the help of the FSG, that is a very good program. Those are helpful in the socio-economic status and decision making power within their families and communities. Collaboration and partnership. NSTFDC doing work with the help of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and different state governments. It is also doing work with the help of the NABARD. Those are the refinancing institute which is doing work in tribal specialized area. It is also doing work with NSTC, National Scheduled Tribes Corporation. Those are the very helpful for the improvement of the entrepreneurship and also provided social justice in tribal areas. It is also doing good work with NGO and civil society organization. Those are the non-profit organization doing work in tribal areas. It is also collaborate with industry association and chamber of commerce because both collaboration it is doing different type opportunity and try to involve in corporate sector, and it is also collaborate and doing work with academic and research institution. Those are the very helpful for the society and very helpful for the holistic development and empowerment of scheduled tribes in India. Challenges. There are the lot of the challenges. NSTFDC, access to finance. फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी समस्याएं आती हैं, स्पेशली फॉर द कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट. ड्यू टू द both challenges, there are the some problems related to the improvement of the tribal societies, improvement of the skill development, and there is the one important challenge that is market linkage. Due to the lack of the finance, we cannot connect with mainstream of the society. Awareness and outreach, it is the important challenges for the tribal communities because they are not the aware about vision and mission related to the NSTFDC, because this organization is provided different types opportunities, different types financial assistance, but they are not aware about these schemes. Future outlook. If we want to develop in future, there are the some important points. Those are very helpful for the society. टेक्नोलॉजी इंटीग्रेशन फॉर द मार्केट में बने रहने के लिए ये ज़रूरी है कि हम टेक्नोलॉजी इंटीग्रेशन करें, क्योंकि विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी इंटीग्रेशन enhance the effectiveness and development, market access and monitoring of different programs. Skill development. Skill development, investing in skill development initiative to the need of the scheduled tribe communities and other tribal areas can empower individual to become self-reliant and successfully engage in the various economic activities. This include both traditional livelihood and emerging sector. One is important point for the future outlook, that is partnership and collaboration. Collaborating with other governmental and non-governmental organizations as well as private sector. Both are the developed different initiative. Partnership can facilitate resource sharing, knowledge exchange and innovative approach to the development of the tribal areas. Policy support. It is the very important for the society. Advocating for supporting policies at the national and state level is essential to create an enable environment for the economic development, for the economic empowerment of scheduled tribes communities. This includes policy related to land, right, access to natural resource and other action in the education and employment. These points are very helpful for the future outlook if we try to increase and try to implement. Financial performance. There are the lot of the financial assistance program and initiative provided by the NSTFDC because it's aimed to address the unique economic challenges faced by the scheduled tribes communities and promote inclusive growth. However, it is also faced several challenges including limited access to finance, infrastructure development and the need for capacity building among beneficiaries. But NSFDC is provided lot of the fund for the societies and for the tribal areas. और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस के द्वारा ही ट्राइबल एरियाज में जो डिफरेंट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, जो डिफरेंट इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, जो डिफरेंट होल्डर्स हैं, वो सभी NSTFDC के फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस के सहयोग से शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स एरिया को बहुत ही तेज़ी से अपलिफ्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, जिसके द्वारा वो एक डेवलपमेंट के प्रोसेस में बड़ी तेज़ी से बढ़ रहे हैं. पॉलिसी एडवोकेसी एंड impact assessment. It is the very important topic related to the policy advocacy and impact assessment. On the basis of these points, policy advocacy, research and analysis, monitoring and evaluation, policy brief and position papers, and build up different policies. These are the policy advocacy. Those are the very helpful and those are the remove the different problems. Those are coming in economic upliftment in tribal areas related to the land, related to the right, related to the education. Overall, we can say NSTFDC play an important role in addressing the socio-economic challenges, especially in scheduled tribes in India, and it is also contribute significant improvement to their overall development and empowerment. We can say NSTFDC play an important role in fostering economic empowerment and social development among scheduled tribes in India through its various financial assistance program and initiative. NSTFDC aims to address the unique socio-economic challenge faced by the scheduled tribes communities and promote inclusive growth. However, it is also face several challenges including limited access to finance, infrastructure problems, and the need of capacity building among beneficiaries. To overcome these challenges and maximize its impact, NSTFDC must focus on several key areas. This include leveraging technology for enhanced outreach and efficiency, skill development and entrepreneurship training, partnership and collaboration. By addressing these points for improvement, NSTFDC can further it has a good position for the development of the scheduled tribes across India. Through sustained efforts, collaboration and innovation, NSTFDC can continue to make meaningful work creating a more inclusive growth society for the all. Thank you.